Let's harvest some more cucumbers. Boy, look at you, straight 8 cucumber. You have gotten long there. Yes, you have. Look over here. Okay, I see you. Let's see, do we have any more? Come on, let's do a little search here and see any more under here that I need to harvest. Oh, okay, I leave you. You need to get a little bigger. Any more under here? Okay, come on, show yourself. Show yourself. But I'm coming back to get you. You good and ready right there. Okay. Anybody else under here? Come on, show yourself. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay. Okay. Anybody else over here? Okay, okay. No more other ones over here. I see you, little one there. Okay. Let me go back over here and harvest my straight 8 cucumbers I saw over here in the beginning. All right. Boy, oh, look how long you have gotten. Okay. Let's harvest you. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes. Okay, let's get this one over here too. Wonderful. Look at you guys. Look nice. Great harvest. Today's harvest of cucumbers. Looking good. Grown in Big Mama's garden. More to come.